In order to replace the shroud on your Furrion Chill Low Profile air conditioner unit, you will need to remove the 9 screws located around the perimeter of the shroud. This will then allow you to lift the shroud off the air conditioner unit. With the shroud removed, you will see all of the internal components. To reinstall the shroud, first check that there is nothing obstructing the installation of the shroud and nothing that can be pinched underneath it. Then, reinstall the shroud by securing it with the 9 screws previously removed. After tightening all the screws, gently lift the shroud to confirm it is securely fastened with no movement.